Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about the offset formula. And so what the offset formula is going to do is it is going to give us the value in a cell that is in some relative position that we specify from a cell that we select. So what we can see here is we've got a table, just a simple multiplication table for us here, and we are going to return row and column that we are looking for. So we're going to do this using an offset formula. Now the offset formula is pretty powerful in that you can have it do anything from anywhere. So if we wanted to, make this our initial cell that we base everything off of, we just select that as our reference. But to make it simple, we'll just use our upper left, and then we are going to determine our rows. So we'll just link that to where we'll type in our rows, lock it in, and then we are going to do the same thing with our columns. And then you can specify your height and width, but we'll just skip over that for now. And this is going to give us the value in the cell that we have selected. So right now we have nothing in here, so it is getting us our first cell. Now, if we wanted to look at say the fourth row down from where we're at, we put in the 4, and it will give us the fourth row down. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, and return a value of 5. Now, if we wanted to do the same with a column, we could do a fourth column, and it will give us 4 over from there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, so the important thing to note is that you can notice that it does not count to the first cell. So if you wanted to, in this situation, if you wanted to actually create the lookup within the times table, you would have to just go in here and put the -1 to account for that first cell. So then when you're actually looking at it, you can say 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 4 is 20, etc., etc. So not really all that useful with it as a multiplication table, but hopefully that helps visualize things. There's a lot easier ways we could have done this if we were just trying to show two numbers and multiply by each other. But you can see that if it wasn't text, or if it wasn't numbers and it was actually text, this could be a pretty powerful formula because it can look up and return whatever is in that cell. So hopefully that helps you guys. It gives you some ideas of what to use it in, and how you can make some more complicated formulas. And if you have any questions, throw them in the comments below, and have a good one.